bought a 25 light set. Doesn't really matter how many you buy. This is only $6. The C7 size. Start off with the end and clip off about 2 inches past the end, and do the same thing here. This is what we'll use for our light inside the pumpkin. You might even experiment with different colors. Going to split the wire. At both ends. And peel back about a ½ inch of insulation. Twist the copper. Take an extension cord that you cut off the female end. Strip the wires the same way. And you take some wire nuts. Twist two together. And we have our light set up. We can disconnect this outside the pumpkin, and it'll give us another advantage of only having to cut a hole small enough for just this wire to pass through instead of the whole plug. Plug this in to make sure it works. And there we go. This is a Christmas tree light, and this is the night light. Just have to wait to see which one's brighter. I would think that the night light is actually a little brighter. And any loose wires you have left over like this, keep them separated. I take a piece of duct tape and seal them up to where they'll stay separated. I find it works better than the electrical tape. Seems to stick better. In case you've got small children around, or just to be on the safe side, you might want to tape up these wire nuts where they can't be removed very easily. This is where I do use the black electrical tape. Cut off about, say, 4 or 5 inches of it. You need to strip these back, get you some wire to play with there. Make sure it's good and secure, like so. And go ahead and put some tape on the wire nut, and then start spiraling it down over the wires. Secured pretty good. I'll do something for the other side. Make sure it's good and tight. Another little layer on top of that. You sure don't want these things being unscrewed with the electricity on. Not electrical hazard, it would be a potential fire hazard. So I'll wrap this down, go a little farther with it. And do the same for this one. There we go.